Guys, we're back with another repair tonight. Second repair tonight. Acer Aspire 5 A515-51G. Again, take the bottom off, disconnect the battery. This bottom happens to be a little annoying to remove, and we're going to then disconnect remove the bezel. Just gently pry off clips. Try not to crack them. Just crack that one. Remove the bezel. This screen actually is screwed in. What do you know? Take out the 4 screws, corners. Nice that that goes all the way down. And now we will actually just gonna use a little alcohol, 99% alcohol, to release the adhesive on the sticker. Sometimes they're very sticky. Come up nicely. Disconnect it. Screen can go side. Start grabbing the screen here. A lot of padded envelopes on this one. 4 envelopes. Thank you, laptop screen repair. Thank you, laptop screen, for packaging so nicely. Reconnect new screen, secure it. Let's give it a quick test. And these ones actually with the screws, I'll actually just screw in 2 screws to secure it, so I don't have to worry about the screen falling out. Let's reconnect the battery here to the bottom. See that? Battery. See if it has any power. Nope. Plug that in. See, yeah, there you go. Working nicely. See that? Okay, and then let's put it back together. Take off the screen protector here. I just like to get this tape off. I'm a perfectionist. Okay. Good. Now let's screw in the other two screws securing the screen. Just a little easier than adhesive. And put the bezel. Put the bezel back on. Snap it back in. It's good. And then the bottom goes back on. And then we just screw in all the screws. And that's it. So thanks for watching.